Hello friends, my name is SagarMore and today in this video I am going to show you the new app which I have created. The app name is Vaccine Availability. It is available on Google Play. You can download it from this link which I will post in the video description below. You can find the link in the description of this video. I recently created this application in order to help common people to find vaccine availability in their areas. Many of us knows this already that vaccine availability can be checked from the Cowin application. Cowin application is the government application hosted on the government website, which is this one. So from this website, you can register yourself. Then each time you have to log in with the OTP, and when you log in, then you will be able to find whether the vaccine is available in your area or not. So lot of us are facing issues in getting the OTPs, whether you get the OTP or not. But after that, you cannot just spend whole your day to find whether the vaccine is available in your area or not. In order to solve this issue, I have created my application which does not require any registration and it does not require any OTP also to check the vaccine availability. You can simply type your PIN code and click on this continuously check availability. When you click on this button, it will continuously check vaccine availability for your zip code, and when it is available, it will give you the notification. Let me show you how. So I entered my zip code. Once you are done with entering your zip code, you can click on this continuously check availability button. When you click on that button, it will check the vaccine availability for your area continuously in the background. So let me click on this button and you will see it has started checking the vaccine availability for my area. It has showed me 3 hospitals where the vaccine can be available. Just to show you how notification works, I have disabled the condition to check whether the available capacity is greater than 0 or not. So you can see I have received the notification, 3 notifications by the way, which shows me where the vaccine is available in which hospital, if the vaccine is paid or free in that hospital, the date of availability for that vaccine. It also shows vaccine capacity. Right now it is 0 because to show you the notification I have disabled that condition. I will enable that again, and it also shows minimum age limit. So if minimum age limit is 45, that means that the person should be more than 45 age. Then the vaccine type, whether it is Covaxin or Covishield. The slots are also present here. You can check at what time the vaccine will be available, from 9 a.m. to 11 or what. And after that, you can also check other notifications for other hospitals for that particular day. All this information you will get in terms of notification while this application is running in the background. Do not close this application if you want this application to continuously check the vaccine availability for you. If you want to stop the background process of checking vaccine availability, you can click on this stop checking button. It will stop checking the vaccine availability in the background. By the way, this app will check the vaccine availability for next 30 days. So you will see the message here. Let me show you that by clicking this button again. So I'm checking this for my zip code and it has started checking. You can see showing result for date. Now today is 3rd June 2021. So it is showing the vaccine availability for that day. After 1 minute, it will show the vaccine availability for other dates also. So after some time, I'm checking this application. Now it is showing me the vaccine availability for 6th of June, and as we can see there are no vaccines available, otherwise we could have get the notification. Likewise, this will check the vaccine availability for next 30 days and you will get the notification automatically. There is no need to log in to Cowin website There is no need to get the OTP to log in into the website. You can just use this application to check whether the vaccine is available in your area or not. If it is available, you can go to Cowin website, and from there you can book your slot. But in order to book your slot and get to know whether the vaccine is available or not, this application will save your time, because it will run in the background and you don't have to continuously go to Cowin website and check whether the vaccine is available or not. I hope you will get benefited by using this application. Let me know your suggestions and thoughts in the comment. I will improve this application in future, so make sure that you install this application and update regularly whenever the application update is available. If you want to get notifications of my other videos whenever I upload, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as I post the new video on. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Please share this video so that your other friends and family will also get benefited from this application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good time.